Hi, we've got a Bev Max 4 here, which we're going to clean the condenser unit. So if you look down here, you've got the first thing to do is remove these nuts here and remove this grill. On the other side then, you've got 2 screws on each side here, which holds this plate in the position. Just remove them. And then just move the whole thing forward. And lift this out. There we go. And this cover then just removes. There's your condenser unit there. That needs that would probably need to be cleaned. And just make sure there's no more dust or anything around the area. And just put it all back in the reverse area. Thank you.